Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find all your seller information on the Facebook app on PC after the new update. If you've been looking for your marketplace selling details and can't seem to locate them anymore, don't worry, the process is still simple once you know where to go. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open your account menu with several options. From there, click on Settings and Privacy. After that, go into Activity Log. This section stores a lot of your Facebook activity, so it's the right place to check when you want to find account-related records and marketplace details. Inside Activity Log, look for your Facebook activity. This is where Facebook organizes different parts of your activity history. It may take a moment to load, but once it appears, you'll be able to continue to the Marketplace section. Now click on Facebook Marketplace. This is the part you need to access your seller information. After opening it, select your seller information. Here, you'll see the details related to your marketplace selling activity, including the information Facebook keeps connected to your seller profile. If you didn't find it right away, just go back slowly and repeat the steps one by one. Facebook sometimes changes the layout after updates, so the option may not always appear exactly where you expect it. Still, if you follow this path carefully, you should be able to reach your seller information without any problem. That's it. Now you know how to find all your seller information on the Facebook app on PC using the latest update. If this video helped you, make sure to keep following for more simple Facebook tutorials and useful app tips.